Here we go, folks. We got another giveaway winner to choose here. This is for the green carrot grinder and rolling tray. 85 of you entered. That's fucking amazing. Kiyohimura 3911. If you see this video, you have a runners-up prize waiting for you on the green carrot hoodie giveaway video. Claim your prize or it will go to someone else at some point. And the other prize winner on the green carrot hoodie video hasn't claimed their prize either yet. So yeah, claim your prize within a few weeks or it's gonna go to someone else. So this is to win the green carrot rolling tray and hemp plastic grinder. It's biodegradable. I can't get through all these names because there's so many of you. So let's spin, spin, spin the wheel of justice. See who picks, see who wins for being nice. You may have been a bastard for the last few weeks, who knows? But let's find out whether Lady Luck is shining on you or not, and it's... Oof! Jason Clark, P2C. I think you've been around for a while. I think I've seen you on the channel for a bit. I think I saw you in the chat on the premiere earlier this evening, talking about what we were seeing with the Banana Daddy growing. If you haven't seen that video, there is a video on the channel of part one of my visit to Canada, seeing some grow facilities, and the first one being Cielo Verde, who do the Banana Daddy that is available at the moment and that I really, really like. So yeah, go and check those out. Jason Clark, email in the description, send us an email, we'll get you verified and we'll get those green carrot bits out to you as soon as possible. Merry Christmas for your little green carrot gifts, and Merry Christmas to everybody else. What a wonderful thing to be able to give this stuff away. Thank you for watching, everyone. Up next on the channel, if you're watching this as a premiere, is the big one. It's the Fat Piggy thermal accumulator. So yeah, go and check that out. That will be premiering next. See you over there, folks. Have fun. Stay medicated. See you on the next one.